Welcome to Cooking Simply Delicious. This Thai yellow curry with summer squash and zucchini, there is nothing better than heartwarming curry dish. The earthy curry spices melded with rich coconut milk and fresh picked summer squash and zucchini. Let's begin with homemade curry paste. Thai curry refers both to dishes in Thai cuisine that are made with various types of curry paste. There are many different curry pastes you can make. While the ingredients vary, the steps you need to take when preparing them are nearly identical for each recipe. Let's make the curry paste. Start with 12 dried chili peppers. Then add the lemongrass. Mash well. And after, the galangal. Similarly to ginger and turmeric. Followed by KAFFIR lime leaves. Next, add the shallots, onion. Then garlic, coriander seeds, freshly ground white pepper, and a pinch of salt. You can use food processor, but I just love using a mortar. Lastly, add shrimp paste. And that's it! Our homemade curry paste is done. Looks so good. Come, let's harvest some zucchini and also the summer squash. Cut the zucchini into 1/2 inch pieces. Then the yellow squash, cut also into 1/2 inch pieces. Followed by cutting the Thai green round eggplant. Lastly, my favorite Thai basil. A mission was born to create Thai recipes that take close to the authentic recipes served in Thai restaurants. The easiest and most flavorful homemade Thai curry you will ever make in just 30 minutes. It tastes just like the restaurant version. In a medium-high heat temperature, let's add the coconut milk. Once the coconut milk starts to boil, it can bubble over quickly. Whisk regularly to prevent burning. Then, let's add our homemade curry paste. Followed by bite-sized chicken thigh. A pinch of salt and let it simmer until the chicken is cooked. Next, let's add the fish sauce, then the eggplant, followed by the summer squash and the zucchini. And also, let's add 1/2 cup of chicken broth. This curry dish is perfectly Thai inspired. It has a bold curry flavor with the perfect amount of vegetables. Bring to a boil, reduce to a simmer. Then add the enoki mushrooms, KAFFIR lime leaves, and lastly, our Thai basil leaves. Allow to simmer for 5 minutes. And it's ready! This dish will warm you to the bone. It is super flavorful and adds ease in preparing this dish. You see and smell the deep delicious yellow curry as it simmers with the veggies. Can't wait. That is cooking simply delicious. Thank you for watching. For more cooking and simply delicious recipes, don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.